back to Communicate Better with AI. In the last lesson, we learned how to improve AI answers step by step. Instead of starting over today, we are learning something very important: trust, but verify. AI can be fast, helpful, and confident. But sometimes it can also be wrong. And the tricky part is this AI does not always sound unsure when it is unsure. So today, let us learn how to use AI with confidence but also with care. AI can make mistakes, that is normal. But the problem is, AI does not always sound like it is making a mistake. It may give a wrong answer in a very clear and confident way. It can make up a fact, a date, a name, a quote, or even a source. And because the answer looks well written, we may believe it too quickly. This is sometimes called hallucination. It simply means AI creates something that looks real but may not be real. So do not panic. This does not mean AI is bad. It means we need one simple habit: use AI for help, but check the things that matter. AI is usually helpful for writing, rewriting, explaining, summarizing, and organizing ideas. But we need to be more careful when the answer includes facts, for example, numbers, dates, statistics, names, reason, news, rules, prices, or anything specific to your company, country, contract, or situation. Also, be careful with serious topics like health, money, tax law, or public statements. In these cases, a small mistake can create a big problem. So, the rule is simple: for simple writing help, AI is useful. For important facts, slow down and check. Sometimes an AI answer looks too neat. That is when you should pause. For example, it may give a very specific number but no source. It may give a quote that sounds perfect, but you are not sure if it is real. It may answer something very specific too quickly, or it may agree with you too easily. These are signs to check. It does not mean the answer is definitely wrong. It only means do not trust it immediately. Take a second look before using it. Checking AI does not have to be difficult. You can ask simple follow up questions like: how confident are you about this? What part should I double check? What might be wrong here? You can also ask: give me sources I can click. But remember, do not just look at the links, open them, check if they are real, check if they actually support the answer. And for anything important, check outside AI too, especially health, money, legal matters, contracts, reports, or anything with your name on it. AI can help you think and draft, but it should not be your only source of truth. Here is the main idea: use AI to think, use AI to draft, use AI to explain. But when facts really matter, verify them. A confident answer is not always a correct answer. A polished answer is not always a verified answer. At the end, your name is on the email, your name is on the report, your name is on the decision, AI is the assistant, you are still responsible. So remember, trust but verify. In the next lesson, we will learn how to get better answers by telling AI its role and the audience it is speaking to. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning with Nanocelerate, one nano step at a time.